Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to capture information. Okay, let me go back here. Okay, yeah, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Fireworks to crop to edit cropped images and include missing text and missing information or misinformation, whatever. So first and foremost, I'll go to the file, this file, where this file is located, which is a PDF document. So I'm opening the PDF document, which is this. So I'm going to screenshot this. You see some areas are not visible, so if your screenshot will not be complete. So I'm just going to reduce the zoom. Currently, okay, let me take it to 100. Let's see. Okay, we actually need here to here, so it's still remaining a portion. Okay, so I may need to reduce it a little more. Let's see, a little more. Let's use 90. Let's try and use 90. It should be custom. 75. Let's see. Okay, let's use 75. Okay, so I'll just screenshot, press my print screen on the keyboard, then I will open my Macromedia Fireworks. Okay, just open a new page. Okay, then paste. I can paste with shortcut, or I'll just go to edit and then paste. Okay, so I know the area I need this area down, so somewhere here. So I'll take my crop tool. I'll start from somewhere here, crop down till this point. Okay, press my enter key to crop it. Then I can zoom to 100% and see if there's anything. I can further crop these areas, okay, to save more space. So I can crop this. Press enter again. Okay, now we want to change this number from 1 to 10 to 61 to 70. Okay, so I'm going to zoom further to maybe 200 or more. Then you can see even something is missing. I can actually decide to remove this entire text and type another one, but let me type first. Okay, let me reduce the font to, let's say, font 14. Okay, so let me type now. Okay, don't want red, it's black. Now answer question numbers 61 to 70. Now you can see the font style is too thick, so if you look at the font is impact, so I'm just going to change to Times New Roman. I'll change to Times New Roman. Okay, you can actually now stretch this. You can see the way it is arranged, something is wrong somewhere, so let's check the settings. Okay, just disable auto ken. Okay, so you can actually let me delete this, then you click on delete, then I can bring this one back. So I want to move this. Okay, also take note, you can also use autofill. I think it's right here. I usually use shortcut to do that. Autofill content. Let me see, it's somewhere here. I usually use Control Alt F, fit, or Control O. I usually use. Okay, let me see if the shortcut is here. If it's stated here, view, edit. Anyway, if I see it later, I can let you have it. But for now, I use Control Alt F. Okay, so I can now click on this to bring it here. You see that? See that? But let's cut this out. Control Alt F to fit. Okay, now what I need to do now is to cut this area. So let me bring this. Control Alt F. Everything is together. Okay, like this. Let me Control Alt F again. Okay, so I'm going to cut this area. So I'll click on the main image, which is this. Then take my crop to my polygon laser tool. Okay, so I can click from outside where I want to cut. Mark it can only cut the layer I'm working with, which is the current image, not the text. Even if I draw across the text that I've typed, it will not do anything to it. So just click and press your delete button to delete that. Then I just pick up this one and move it to where I want it to be. I think it's too close down, so here too you can see T is missing. I can actually now even duplicate this one. Control C, then Control V, Control copy, Control paste. So I need letter T. I can just double click on this and use my I can just select everything here, type capital letter T. Okay, then I can close my text area. Okay, so I can hold this. Okay, Okay, so I can move it here. Okay, now this, you can see this place is now transparent. So what I can do is to make the background color white. So all I just need is to click out. You see canvas, click on this, select, you can select white, or you just click on the background that you want here. See, everything blends automatically. And if you look at the font here, this looks dark. Okay, I can try to bold. Fine. Okay, so that is what we really wanted to do. You can even A here too, we can also change it if we want to. So we can also do is to click on this, duplicate it, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, move it up here, scroll, double click on it to pick up a text tool, then highlight it, and then type capital letter A, and take your pick tool and move it on top here. It's as simple as that. Okay, some things are even missing here. In each of the following questions, 2 incomplete words are given. Choose from the option lettered A to E the one that will correctly complete the first word and begin the second. So some things are actually, bunch of letters are missing here. So what I just did is Ctrl C, Ctrl V like I did before. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can actually Ctrl C, Ctrl V 5 times. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see the layers here. So I can move one out, move this out, move this out, move this out. There are 5. Don't think there's any other one. Oh, okay. There are 6. Let's see. Fine. Now in I is missing, so I just double click on this, select it, then I use I, letter I, so I can move it. Incomplete. I also is missing, so just double click on that. Okay, I, letter, small letter I, sorry. Okay, so I move it again. I can use my up arrow to position it properly. Okay, then what next? Choose from the T, letter T. Okay, small letter T. I'll take my pick tool, move it. Okay, so the next one is correct C correctly. Small letter T. So So I think that is it. I don't need this again. I just delete it. So it is that simple. I think something is missing here too. The only letter that best completes the first word and begins the second in which is lettered. Okay. The only letter that best completes the first word, W is missing, and begins the second is N, which is lettered C. We would therefore shade, okay, letter C, okay, alright, okay. So letter is missing here, and then answer. So we need W L A. So I can go back here, instead of typing all over again, just copy one of this, any of this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. It will paste right there, so I'll just drag it down. Okay. Then how many letters do I need? 1, 2, 3. So I can duplicate Ctrl C, Ctrl V 3 times. Yes, 1, 3. So I'll change this one to W. Change this one to letter L, and change this one to letter A. Okay, so I can now move them to position. W here. Okay. Ctrl Z to return it back, it moved. Then letter L here. Then letter A here. I can use my up arrow to properly position it. And that is it. So I can go and save, go to file, can save, call it I can call it instruction from 61 to 70. So I save it to okay, so that is done. So what I now need to do is go and upload it. So I'll come back here, go to question number, let's see, go back to quiz, go to question number 61. Great, yeah, question 61. Okay, this was not actually expected. I don't know why you included this. You agree that this should be changed. Let me just change all this. It's an error. Okay, so we go here. Look at the image initially that I had missing text. See that I was saying 1 to 10 instead of 61 to 70. So I'm just going to remove it. Then I'm going to set image again. Then I'm going to upload it. Desktop website. Okay, you remember where we kept it earlier? Questions. instruction. Yeah, that is it. Okay, we just uploaded groups. Okay, we just save it. Okay, let's look at it now. This page. Okay, let's refresh and see. Okay, so let's move and check. Let's check it. Let's keep checking until we get what we're looking for. So let's keep checking. Okay, I think it's here. Alright, let's see. Yeah, the corrections have been updated. You see that? So question 61 that was part of the instruction before now needs to be uploaded afresh. Okay, so we'll go back here. This is question 61. No, okay, yeah, this is question 61. So I'm going to screenshot this again, then go to here, open a new page, Control N. Okay, then paste, Control V. Okay, so I need question here. So take my crop tool, crop only this. Then I save it, call it 61. Okay, then I'll go back here to the back end, then I'm going to upload it. Go back to quiz, then scroll down to 61. Is it 61? Okay, go back to, I think this is 61, right? Let me go back again. Go to scroll down to 61. Okay, that's 61. Featured image, extra featured image. I'm just going to remove this, then set image, come to uploads, this, then I select where is that question 61. Did I save it as 41? Oh, I'm going to verify. There must be an error. Oh, 41. Okay, so it's the same as an error, so just select this 60. I do not show 41 actually, but on the question page, yeah, that I saved it with the wrong number. Okay, let's see. Has it been uploaded? Yeah, it's uploaded. I just save mine, and that is it. It's as simple as that. So if you refresh our page and go back to question 61, it should no longer be blank. Question 61 should no longer be blank. Okay, question 61 is no longer blank, you see. Nobody young. So why is the answer here? Let me verify. That's correct. You have one. No, 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 no. You only score one. Oh, I think it's simple. It's okay. So basically, that is it.